Like other automakers, Renault has been known to play the nostalgia card with iconic models like the 5 reimagined as a modern EV. However, the company is taking that to a whole nother level with the Air4, a literal flying car version of the cult Renault 4 hatchback. Renault teamed up with Miami design firm TheArsenale to create a human-sized drone with an updated version of the 4 sitting on top. The concept marks the 60th anniversary of the Renault 4 and aims to show where the brand might be 60 years down the road. Air4 is a symbol of independence and freedom, born out of the realization that traffic is compounding, lives are grinding to a halt, and the world above us is unhampered, Renault wrote. The body is built entirely out of carbon fiber and carries a 22,000 mAh battery, with no voltage given, that puts out 90,000 mAh of total power. Thrust is given as 95 kilograms, or 209 pounds per propeller, for a total lifting capacity of around 840 pounds. The driver enters by lifting the entire body from the front to enter an interior Renault describes as utilitarian. It can take off at 31 miles per hour, currently limited to 9 miles per hour, and fly around at speeds of up to 58 miles per hour. It did briefly fly, but is now slated to go on display at the Atelier Renault Museum in Paris and elsewhere around the world, Miami, New York and Macau, in 2022. Renault once called the 4, also known as the 4 liters or Quattro, a blue jeans car, and it launched in 1961 with a 603cc engine as a fun, cheap-to-operate vehicle. It sold more than 8 million models over 30 years across 100 countries, with the last version produced in 1992. Renault announced plans to revive that model as the Renault 4 EV in 2025. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to support us, like and subscribe to the channel. I wish you a happy day.